What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Imani, and this is my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing why you need to join Facebook groups to help grow your business. So if you're wondering how is that even possible, what are the benefits, stay tuned. We're going to get right into it. Okay, so what is a Facebook group? Simply put, a Facebook group is a community that is created by an organization, by an individual, by someone on Facebook. And you can have a private or public group. Public group is anybody can comment, anybody, they don't have to request to join. Literally anybody and anybody can join this group. A private group is something more exclusive. You have to request to join. Sometimes there'll be restrictions and you'll have to meet certain criteria in order to be a part of this group. And of course, obviously, just anybody can't just join. So that's in simple, that's what a Facebook group is. It's a discussion room, it's a community. Now, there's literally a group for everything, every industry, every hobby, from broad topics to niche specific topics. There's literally a Facebook group for it. You can search by your industry, you can search by your skill. No matter what you're interested in, 9 times out of 10, there is a Facebook group for it. Now, I'm not here to teach you how or why to start your own Facebook group. I'm here to share why it's important, whether you're a brand, a company, a music exec, an artist, a photographer, a content creator, literally anybody. I'm here to share why it's important to join Facebook groups. So first things first, the most important thing to me is why you should join a Facebook group is it helps expand your network. Whether you're looking for like-minded people, whether you're looking for people that look like you, sound like you, do the things that you do, share the same hobby, or if you're looking to learn from people. This is the main reason you should join a Facebook group. You can expand your network. Now, the second way is to reach a new audience. You're increasing your exposure. So I have a Facebook group literally for every aspect of my life at this point. I'm in Facebook group for travel, whether that's travel vlogging, travel YouTubers, just travelers in general. I'm in Facebook groups for events, so events in New York or event planning, or I'm also in public relations groups. I'm a million, I don't want to say a million, but I'm in a ton of different groups, and that helps me reach a new audience and increase my exposure. So say I just shared or I just released a new YouTube video. I'm going to go to my YouTube Facebook groups and share my new video and say, hey, I just released a new video, please check it out. And then somebody will comment with their video, and then that's how you increasing your exposure. You're sharing with a new audience. Another reason why you need to join Facebook groups is you can learn so much helpful information. You can get so many different resources. You don't know everything in the world. You don't have all the answers. So being in the community with people that are in your industry, they may have information that you aren't aware of. So receiving those helpful resources, and most of the time it's free. There are some Facebook groups that charge, but most of the time they're free. Free helpful information. I'm telling you, a lot of the groups that I'm in, half of the information that I've learned in these groups is just like mind-boggling. There's so many like different secrets, and I don't want to say secrets, but different tips and tricks depending on your industry. Another way you can benefit from Facebook groups is by gaining clients. Now, I'm not saying that you can go in there and just automatically get 10 new clients, but by providing valuable information in these groups, people will start to notice you. Not every post that you make in these Facebook groups have to be business related. You can literally just be commenting on people's posts and engaging with them, and people will start to notice, like, oh, okay, they know what they're talking about. And people are paying attention. You never know who's watching, and so providing value in these groups will help you gain clients. Now, another way that I use Facebook groups all the time is if I'm looking for talent or if I'm looking for vendors. So for example, I produce networking events, panels, conferences, all of the above for my company. Now, if I'm looking for a speaker that can speak to entrepreneurship or social media or can speak to the finance world, I may put in a Facebook group, hey, I'm planning this event May 2021 and I'm looking for a speaker or an author or someone that can speak to the finance industry. Please reach out to me and we would love to share more information. A simple post like that, boom, easy way to find if you're looking for talent or if you're looking for speakers, if you're looking for somebody to participate in your event, very easy. And if you're on the flip side of that, it's a very easy way for you to pitch yourself to people that are looking for panelists, looking for people to participate in their events. Same thing if I'm putting together, like, let's say a block party and I'm looking for a food truck. I'll go into an event vendor Facebook group and say, hey, planning this event in Atlanta, looking for food trucks, please let me know if you're available, X, Y, and Z. It makes life easier. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. You don't have to sit there and like go looking for people. The people will come to you. Even if you're looking for people to speak on your podcast or if you're looking to interview somebody, simply put in the Facebook group, hey, X, Y, and Z, the people are gonna come. Now, it's important to know that you should be looking for active Facebook groups. If they haven't posted in days or they only get like 2 posts a week, then it's probably going to be a waste of your time. I'm not saying not to join them, but it's not going to be a lot of activity, so it doesn't really make sense to join. You also don't want to join a group that's too big, that's overpopulated, because your post is just going to get lost. Same thing with using hashtags that have a million or millions amount of posts on their hashtag. It's the same concept. You don't want to get into a group that is overpopulated because you're just going to get lost. I had to leave a few different Facebook groups because I noticed there was no interaction. People were just posting just to post. It wasn't like there was no benefit from it. So don't waste your time by adding these groups. It's also important to follow the rules. The groups are putting out these rules for a reason. If they don't want you to self-promote, then don't promote yourself because they're gonna kick you out. That's it. They put the rules there for a reason. If they don't want you doing certain things, then you have to respect that. A lot of people don't follow these rules and they get kicked out. And of course, most important thing is to post relevant and post relevant, memorable content. You don't want to post content that people are not going to engage with. You want to post content that people are going to interact with so that you can start a conversation and then it leads to who knows what, maybe a business deal. Okay? Like, it's important to post meaningful content. What you don't want to do, and I'm speaking from experience, I am solely speaking from experience. What you don't want to do is join too many Facebook groups in one day. Facebook will recognize that and they'll think that you are spam and they will block you from posting in any of your groups for a few days. I did that, I want to say like 2 years ago or last year. It was probably 2 years ago, and they blocked me I was in the groups, but they blocked me. And I think I had joined it might have been like 10 in one day. And they blocked me. And so I want to say it was like 2 weeks that I couldn't post. And the reason why I wanted to join these groups was so that I could post. And the fact that they took that function away from me, it was so annoying. So don't join too many groups in one day. I tend to keep it to like between 3 and 5, just in case. I am not a Facebook person. I am not someone that was ever a Facebook person, but I swear by Facebook groups. I tell all my clients to join Facebook groups. I tell all my friends to join Facebook groups. Even if you don't get on Facebook every day, all day, join Facebook groups. I promise you. I designate every Friday just to get on Facebook groups, to go through my groups, to see what people are talking about, and boom. That's all the interaction I have. I don't need to be on Facebook all the time. Every group has its own purpose. If you're looking to bring traction to your business, then join the group as your business page. Now, I know not every single group accepts pages as members, but if they do accept pages as members and you're trying to push your business or your brand, join as your page. And when I say your page, I'm not referring to I'm referring to your business page, not just like your regular profile. I'm talking about your business page. As I said, every group has its own purpose, but the common denominator is to expand your network. No matter what group you join, you're expanding your network and increasing your exposure. And of course, I'm not talking about hate groups or inappropriate groups. If you're looking to join hate groups, you have a whole nother problem that you should probably stay off of social media. But we're not talking about hate groups, obviously, because I don't support that and I hope you don't support that. But to me, the reason why I joined Facebook groups is because I feel like I hate networking. I don't like to network. I don't like going to networking events. Even though I put together networking events, I don't like doing it myself. But being in Facebook group is like networking without the awkward small talk. That's how I look at it. So yeah, I suggest everybody join Facebook groups. No matter what your title is, no matter what your role is, no matter what you do as your job, whatever you do, I suggest you join Facebook groups. If you're a podcast host, if you own a vacation home, if you are selling lip glosses, if you manage musicians, if you're a car mechanic, if you are an event planner, literally anybody can benefit from Facebook groups. Now, if you're looking to create a Facebook group, that's a whole nother story. You have to understand that it is labor intensive. It takes a lot of your time. You have to be consistent. And it's just a lot of work. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you are going to join some Facebook groups after watching this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, you can follow me on all social media at Imani Murray. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.